What's up, guys? This is Sam. I'm back with another video. Um, I did this once already. I replaced the thermal pad, the thermal tape, and I removed the north bridge and the south bridge heatsink. It's all cleaned up. And the temps, I didn't like the temps, so last time I used the Arctic Silver 5, but I'm going to try to use a Tunic TX2 and see how my temps come out. I cleaned the GPU out just to get it cleaned out of the way. Your voltage regulator, which is underneath that little heatsink right there, I removed that, and they said it's a thermal tape, but it's like a little rubbery. It's just like a little rubber strip. It's gray. So what I did, I just removed it, cleaned the little voltage regulators underneath there, clean it up with alcohol, and also clean that little rubber strip up, and I placed it back down. I made sure I was clean, my hands were real clean, and just cleaned it up with alcohol. I just cleaned it, kind of rubbed it, let it dry, aired it out, and then used some air can to dry it up, and just placed it back on there. And then I also decided, well, let me try something else. After I placed it on there, I placed some of this. This is Arctic ceramic. It's Arctic silver ceramic, and they said this is non-conductive. And I looked at it, and they said this is the best thing for non-conductive. It's no electricity pass through, so it won't fry anything or something like that. Well, what I did was I just put a dab on the bottom of your heatsink, that voltage regulator heatsink, to see if it'll keep it cool a little bit, drop down a couple of degrees, because it was a little too hot. It was like 80, 78 degrees, on idle when I was in the BIOS. So it could have been because I overclocked it, and when you overclock, you also push other things to the limit, which produces more heat and stuff like that. So what I'm going to try here, I'm going to put the Arctic Silver 5. I have my trusty little bag, and I'm just going to, on your north bridge, I'm just going to put not the Arctic Silver 5, Tunic TX2, I'm just going to put a dab on that, and just what's it? Just over here on this one, on your X58 chipset, I'm just gonna put it around there and spread it with the bag. See if I can spread that a little bit. Put a little at a time, so I won't have to put too much and mess it up. I have to clean it up again. I don't want to do that. Take the little bag. I take the little bag and I just twist it around the little finger. I don't know if you can see that one. I just do a little circular motion. The little circular motion, I just kind of overlap what I've already done. And that looks pretty good, but that little corner there that looks like it needs a little more. Right on it. Just circular motion. And you can do it however you want to do with an old credit card, which I've seen other people do. I want to see how this turns out. I'm going to spread this, make sure it's all over. Some people say you want a thin application, you know, so you get the best conductivity from the heat to transfer over to your heat sink. And but like GPUs, you know, you can't put it thin because it doesn't. Sometimes it won't touch that the heat sink. Like I've done on my brother's. You know, I put a good mount on it and make sure nice and thick so it'll touch the heat sink. So now after that, you take your and place it right back on it. And they got these little things here. I'm trying to clean that up some. That looks like. I'm gonna try to clean that up. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I cleaned it up. Now I'm gonna put this back on it. Before I put this back on, let me show you. It has four screws for your north bridge and 2 screws right there. 2 screws right there for your south bridge, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for the north bridge. Doesn't seem like I'm pull this back up. Oh, I guess I was touching it. See? Touching it. Clean something up first. Get my screws, hold it in place. Get a couple of screws in there. Just that's how the screws look. Real small little screws. got a little spring in them as well, a little spacer. What you do is just tighten them up just a little bit. From corner to corner. Flip it back over. You know, kind of squeeze it in there a little more. Plug my fan back in. Flip it back over. Just screw it in there till it gets snug in place. Voltage regulator screws. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them. Right there. Right where my thumb's at, there's one right there, and then there's another one right there. See how the screws are back in. That's it, guys. I don't know if we want to call it tutorial, but you know, that's how I do my, you know, I mean, there's a bunch out there do it different ways, but that's how I do mine. So you know, comment and subscribe, and maybe posting some other videos pretty soon, hopefully about the rig. I'm getting some other stuff in, and I should be getting them in pretty soon. You know, it's taking some time because I can't just buy everything all at once. So alright, man, later, and have a good day, guys.